welcome back to my channel CinYungLove. So today's topic is about LV Mini Pochette. So there will be 5 topics in this video. Number 1 is about the dimensions or the size of the LV Mini Pochette and what can fit inside LV Mini Pochette. And the second one is the function of the LV Mini Pochette. And number 3 is the profit and benefit of a LV Mini Pochette in Damier Ebene canvas. And the number 4 is investment piece. Number 5 is a comparison with another SLG such as like a LV Kirigamis and also the LV key glaze. So stay tuned guys. So first I will talk about the size of the LV Mini Pochette. The size of LV Mini Pochette is and it has like a triangle shape, so it's wider in the bottom compared with the top side. See this? What can fit inside this LV Mini Pochette? So now let's talk about number 2, the function of LV Mini Pochette. So if I add another leather strap, or if you have a chain strap, a longer chain strap, you can attach with this LV Mini Pochette. I already attached the LV Mini Pochette with my longer leather strap. I can use it as a crossbody bag. So you can use this LV Mini Pochette not only for pouch, but also you can use it as a small bag. And also if you want to use this as a bag charm with your Speedy, it also can be attached in your LV Speedy. So number 3, the profit of using the Damier Ebene canvas is it doesn't show the wear edges. This one is made in France, and you know, in Damier Ebene, the skin of the leather is dark. It's a brown dark, right? Compared with the monogram canvas, it has a light color, and also for the Damier Azur, it has a light color of their faceta in the leather. So in this one, Damier Ebene, it doesn't show the wear edges because the leather is dark. Different case with the monogram, which has a light patina with it. So this Damier Ebene is more careless. So this one is more careless. And if you have a color transfer or anything else, it cannot show in here. So this one is already 1 year and I wear it every day as my cosmetic pouch. Number 4 is an investment piece. Why I mentioned it was an investment piece? Because if I wanna sell this in a pre-love market, I can get the money when I bought this in a LV store. And if I wanna sell this in my pre-love market, so the price is still high and I can get my money back. And because it was a classy, handy and versatile, the price is still going up. Like a Chanel bag, if the Chanel is keep increasing their price, oh my god. So this one is very good for an investment piece. So many people use this and I won't regret it why I buy this LV Mini Pochette into my collection. Yay! Happy! So number 5, I will show you in here the comparison with my LV Kirigami and my LV key glaze. don't forget to click the subscribe button and like button if you like this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, take care.